In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Microsoft Forms in Outlook email. First, sign into Microsoft Forms with your Microsoft 365 account. Make sure you're allowed to share forms in your organization or for your intended audience. Then select an existing form you want to send, or quickly create a new one if you haven't set it up yet. The key is to have the form ready before you move into Outlook. With your form open, go to Collect Responses. Choose the link option to generate the unique URL for your form, and copy it. Now switch over to Outlook and compose a new email. Paste the link directly into the body of your message. To improve response rates, add a short, clear introduction so people understand what the form is about, how long it takes, and why their response matters. This approach is straightforward and works well when you want to reach people both inside and outside your organization, depending on your form's sharing permissions. When recipients click the link, they'll complete the form in their browser. There's also a convenient way to send the form directly from Microsoft Forms itself. Still in the Collect Responses area, enter the recipient's email addresses, add a brief, personalized message, and click Send. This method is best when you're targeting people in your organization because it enables an embedded-like experience in Outlook. In many cases, recipients can see the form or its first question directly in the email and start responding without leaving their inbox, thanks to Outlook's integration with Microsoft Forms. If someone doesn't see that embedded view, it's usually due to their email client or organization settings, and they can still click through to complete the form online. A couple of tips as you choose between these options: use the copied link when you need broad reach or are sending from Outlook where you want full control over the message format. Use the direct send from Forms when your audience is internal and you want the streamlined, in-inbox experience. In both cases, keep your message concise and clear, and consider reminding recipients of any deadlines or next steps so they know what to expect after submitting. That's all you need to share a Microsoft form via Outlook, either by pasting the unique link into an email or by sending it directly from Forms for an embedded-like experience within your organization. Thanks for watching.